Good luck.
Thank you. I see you guys. Come out the door. Great. There, the S-bird. You're on the right track. Oh my god. Like a death cry. There we go. Come on, birdie. Yes. Yes. You've done it.
Woo!
Bye.
Close the doors.
So much bird poop and I'm being flat.
We've made it to Hermanus, the whale sighting capital of South Africa.
Yeah, and why it's super famous is that the whales come right super close to the shore, so you can see them in like crazy detail.
We've already seen 3 sets of mother and baby. Yeah, and there's one just there. Over half of the world's species of dolphins and whales are found here on this coast, and that diversity is because of the 2 ocean systems meeting. So in Agulhas, which is just a couple hours down the coast that way, is where the Indian Ocean meets the Atlantic Ocean. And yeah, because of that mixing, there's the diversity that you find in these waters.
Pictures we've been sold, paradise. It's a simple state of mind. It's the people by your side, but only you can find paradise.
It's just incredible that they come back here every year to breed. It's unreal. It's a very special place, this, and I mean, as you can see, it's just absolutely wild and magnificent.
With your
Here in Hermanus, they refer to the whales as great ocean travelers. I think that's the cutest thing ever.
Alright, so just around there is Walker's Bay, that long stretch of beach that you can see, which is this unreal national park with all like wild beach and caves. And then just over there where all those houses are is Hans Bay, and that's a town that became super famous for the great white sharks, and you could go see the sharks there and they would jump out of the water as they attacked seals. But over the last like 3 years, killer whales started coming along this coast and actually started eating the great white sharks, and now they're all gone. So you don't even see the great white sharks here when the killer whales are on the coast.
Okay, so these, literally these, that little bump there, are southern right whales. And those are one of the really common ones to see, but still super lucky because some years people see no whales at all. Now we're gonna go to bed early so we can wake up early enough for
Sunrise.
Yeah, it's bright and early. We're here hopefully to spot some more whales before anybody gets here and see what we can find. 5% left in the drone. I really want to see another whale. So fingers crossed, because if it's not really around this corner, they're probably not here.
Would you quit with the cold words? Take it on your shoulders.
Alright, so we went back to the hotel, we packed up, we had breakfast, and now before heading back to Cape Town, we're going to try and see the whales one last time. So fingers crossed that they're there.
I can feel it. I think they're there.
We've just parked the car because as we were driving, we saw a whale. We saw the spray quite far away, but we have a really good zoom camera, so we're going to try and zoom up on it and see if it's another mother with a baby.
Continuously blown away by this. Chloe's down there on the rocks. The whales are just up there. I've just flown the drone. Arguably the best morning ever.
So I think one of the most amazing things about this is that you can sit here for hours. I mean, we've been here for an hour, we're just sitting on these rocks, there's no one around us. We didn't have to take part in some tour. You can just come and sit and enjoy the whales however you want to. No, it's crazy. They're like a couple meters out from where we're sitting.
And they're so big. It's like bigger than you can imagine.
Whoa, its head just came out. I keep thinking that I'm filming I feel like I should get back to filming the whales instead of talking. But I keep thinking I'm filming the entire whale, and then I realize I've got only half of its body in the shot because it is so massive. It's just under the water and you only really see its back, so you can't tell its size. Okay, let me film the whales and then we'll come and talk to the camera again. We took a bunch of these chocolates from our hotel. We knew we'd need some whale watching snacks. The town's really cute. It's just another beautiful beachside town. It sees whales all the time. It's pretty much the dream, isn't it?
Pretty much the dream. Let's go eat ice cream.
Don't need diamonds or gold. All the pictures we've been sold. Paradise. It's a simple state of mind. It's the people by your side, but only you can find paradise. There's beauty to be found in the quiet